There's a little free surprise for you at the end of this video, but to actually use it, you'll need the context of this video. This video is going to tell you exactly what to do when during your JEE preparation so that you stop guessing your own timeline. When your batch starts, that is day one, and your only job right now is to build your concepts well, not finish the syllabus in a hurry, because that is your teacher's job, not yours. And while you're learning a concept, you need to scribble, make formula sheets, not detailed notes, but formula sheets, because this is gonna become your biggest weapon when you're in the month of December. Mid-November is when the second phase of your preparation starts, which is when you start revising. From here to December, your main focus should be on doing PYQs and revising as much as you can. Pick up one chapter a day. Short notes, then formula sheets, and then PYQs. This is what you follow for approximately 2 months from mid of November to mid of January till the time you have your JEE Mains 1. And now we come to the PYQ strategy. Start with the most recent years first and then go in backwards order. And before Mains 1, please make sure that you finish the last 5 years PYQs, because that is the most relevant study material that you can find anywhere. I always say this, that there is nothing more relevant than PYQs because they are the proof of what is actually being asked in the exam. Now we come to the part which is after your Mains 1 is gonna be over, you fully shift to your JEE Advanced preparation. This is the time when you stop doing your Mains PYQs and start focusing on very conceptual and mixed concept questions. And this is why I say that it is better to buy a batch, because that's what I did. And it's like you just need to follow someone who is trustworthy and has already done the work for you, and the work that's left for you now is to only study. Instead of planning your own things and finding the right material, you can just focus on studying. So this is like the next phase when your Mains 2 is also approaching. 15 days before your Mains 2, you stop doing advanced, not completely, and you do follow the batch, but you shift your focus a little bit towards Mains type of questions, which is basically doing the questions from your January attempt of all the shifts. That's like the best thing you can do, literally. I did that too, and my percentile did improve a lot. I went from 95 to 98 in just 15 days, which is why I'm saying do the previous year questions and the same year questions, because you have them with you, so why not just do it? And slowly you'll realize that it is not about doing difficult questions to get a good percentile in Mains. It's just about having a hold on your concepts well and knowing your formulae on your tips, and then just applying it on the questions with speed and accuracy, and that's how you get a good percentile. Let's go to the next phase, which is after your Mains 2 is over. Now is when your purely advanced oriented preparation continues, and you do not look back towards your Mains, and whatever has happened has happened. And see, the smartest decision that you can make right now is to follow a single batch wholeheartedly instead of running behind 10 different kinds of books and batches and teachers and getting into unnecessary fights in comment sections. That's not what you should be doing right now. See, I studied from Rajwan sir for 3 years, which is why I had a really good understanding of the subject, and then I shifted to Salim sir's lectures in the Varun batch for the last 3 months of my preparation. So I have studied from both the teachers, and I say that we cannot compare them. They're both so good, and I learned so many different things from them, which is why I think that it was a perfect combination that I got. And you should probably try to study from these teachers as well, because I've studied from these. I know they are good, and every teacher is giving their best at the moment everywhere, which is why you can choose from anything that you want. But मुझे जो सही लगा मैंने बता दिया. What matters here is not the teacher, it is the amount of focus that you have and the ability that you have to do the task that's given to you on the very same day and not create any backlogs, which is what the next video is about. So pick one teacher, trust them, and follow them all the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other doubts, please do let me know in the comment section below, because I do respond to each and every one of them. Bye bye. Love you all. And now for the gift. Here is the entire roadmap for you in one picture so that you can look at it for more clarity. And you can also find the PDF of this in the description below.